Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will tell you how to reconstruct SLAs in Jira Service Management Cloud. So generally, due to some glitch or due to some SLA configurations, our SLAs will be missing. Uh, Suppose let's say time to first response, time to resolution you have configured, and when some glitch happened, some time to first response is not appearing on the screen on Jira ticket. So in that cases, we can reconstruct SLAs in Jira Service Management, and this is for cloud, because in cloud we don't have any reindex option like server or data center, right? So we can achieve this reconstruction of SLAs. So we can bring back this missing SLAs using some workaround. So for that, we need to, so using automation rule we are going to do this. So we need to create an automation rule, and we need to configure a send web request action. And before that, we need to generate API token, and after that we need to generate base 64 encode string, because we need to use this string in this web request action. So uh, so this is how we can going to do this, and let's go to the Jira. I'll explain you the scenario. Okay. So if I go to my Jira, right, so I'll show you one ticket, one test ticket. If you look at this ticket, if you look at right side in the SLA section, so I could see only time to resolution SLA clock, but I don't see any time to first response SLA clock. I don't know why it got missed. Maybe due to some configuration change, or due to some glitch happened. I don't know. So the expectation is like, if I look at the another ticket like desk 23, so you could see, right, time to resolution, time to first response. So in the similar way, I want to see the time to first response in this ticket also, but it was not appearing, right? So first of all, I'm going to create a rule, because I've made this rule already for you, to make it easy to understand. I'll explain one more time. So I have created a test rule in the automation rules, right? So I'll just using the schedule trigger. So I'll schedule somehow like some other time based on my requirement. So I'll just give the ticket which was affected this scenario. So I'll just give a demo, sorry, desk 24 ticket in the query, like issue key equal to desk 24, and I'll just go to the next component. If you go to the actions and search like a web request, you'll see this action. So just select this one, and just in the web request URL, you need to give a formatted URL like for SLA reconstruction. So for convenience, let me copy this URL and I just paste here. So in this way, so this is the formatted URL, and here you need to give your base URL, right? Use this URL as a format, and instead of this base URL position, you need to mention your whatever instance you have, right? So your base URL will have, suppose let's say if I have Jira Professional 406, so this is my base URL. So I'll just use the Jira Professional here, and I'll just use this URL in the web request URL section. So I'll just keep HTTP method as post, and the web request body as custom data, and custom in the custom data field section. So I'll give like this. So So I'll give you like this in this format. So square brackets, quotates, and flavor brackets. Inside this issue dot key. In this format, I'll give the expression. So once this is done, you need to give headers like content type and value application or JSM, and then second header is authorization, because you need to access this web request using REST API kind of thing, right? So you need to give uh, the value as basic. So the second header is more important, because first header is just like content type application JSON. Let me put in this. The value would be application or JSON. Okay, and second header is authorization, and the value would be basic. In the quotates, you need to generate encode string like email is to API token. Okay, in this format you need to give the second header value. So how can we generate this base 64 encode token, right? So I'll tell you, like before that, before generating this token, this string, you need to generate the uh, your API token. So for to generate API token, go to your profile and go to manage account, and you'll see the tabs right on the top end. Just go to the security, and if you scroll down, you'll see create and manage API tokens. So here you can create API tokens. When you click on create API token, you can see the label. So in this way you can create an API token. So once you created, right, I already created a test token. So you'll see this pop up like this, your API token created. So just copy this, and now the thing is you need to generate the base 64 encode. So there are websites to generate this encode string, right? So I've given in this format. So first of all, I've given my email and is to semicolon, and then I given the API token which I was generated from Jira. So once you put in this format, just click on encode, so it will generate an encode string. So this one you need to copy and go to your automation rule and paste in the second header value, like in quotates basic, as I told you, in this format, basic space in quotates, the encoded string you need to place here. Okay, so once you placed these things, and then just update, I'll just enable this rule, I'll just update this rule, right? And I'm going to run this rule for this ticket alone, because this ticket is missing the SLA, right? So, and before running this rule, just validate this ticket. uh, like if you see this at the bottom, there is an option like validate your web request configuration. So just enter your ticket number which is going to validate, which is going to run this rule, and click on validate, and you'll see the response 200. Okay, so then you can go ahead and proceed. If you get any response like 400 or 401, there might be some issue and this rule will not be succeeded. So in that case, you need to check your access and all like that. So for now it is okay to me to proceed this rule to run. So I'm going to run this rule. Just click on this run this rule, and I'll see the audit log, right? uh, I saw it is success. Okay, so the send web request is success, and that means we sent a reconstruct URL through this web request. And let's refresh and see whether the SLA will come back, the time to first response SLA. I'm just refreshing this issue. I think it is loading. So in this way, we can bring back the missing SLAs. So hope you understand my point, right? So we can reconstruct SLAs in Jira Service Management using this workaround. So also there is an information from Atlassian also, like to reset SLA. They are developing some feature, and which is going to release very soon. uh, and you can explore those things in Atlassian articles. Okay, thanks, my dear viewers, for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more technical updates further. Thank you.